In preparation for the forthcoming MP and MDC elections in the state, the National People's Party Ri Bhoi district conducted a significant leadership renewal session in a meeting held yesterday at Umsning. Prominent leaders of NPP, including Dr. Amperin Lingdo, who is also the MP candidate, and Hamlet Dotling, the state working president of NPP, were present to oversee the leadership renewal in Ri Bhoi district across different blocks. During the meeting, Sosthenes Sotun, MLA of Jirang, assumed the role of block president for Jirang constituency. Jason Maulong was appointed as president of Umsning block. Damanbat Lamare took the charge of president of Umroi block. Shempang Lingdo appointed as the block president of Mauhati, and Henry Nongrum appointed as block president for Nongpo block. Maukarwat MLA Renik